Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can check for viruses on your iPhone device. So I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can check it and how you can remove it as well. So just watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So the first step is just check for unusual behavior. So first look for warning signs, like if your phone has virus or malware. You might notice things like your phone battery is draining very fast and the phone is getting unusually hot, like it's getting hot and you get like random pop-ups and ads, and apps are opening on their own and it's very slow performance. So if your iPhone is working normally, you're probably safe. Now what you can do for step 2 is you can go through your apps, and if you see anything you don't remember installing, delete it immediately. Like if there's any app that you're seeing and you haven't clearly downloaded it, you can just simply tap on remove the app and then remove app and then delete app. Only keep the apps you trust. Now for the third step, you can just clear your Safari data. How you can do that is just go to your settings and then just simply search up Safari on your search section, and then you'll see this. Just simply press on that. And then you'll see a few options, but you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of advanced. Just simply press on advanced and then you'll see website data. Just simply press on that and you'll see all the history and website data. What you can do is just remove all website data. Once you do that, it will clear all the past data if you got any viruses. Now you can check for VPN. Sometimes a VPN can do stuff to your phone, so you can just go to settings and then general and then scroll down until you find VPN and device management, and just make sure that it's not connected to any VPN or any device profiles. And then another step is just you can go to settings again and then general and then software update, and just make sure that your iPhone is up to date, because Apple literally fixes your phones on updates. And then check for jailbreak. If your phone is jailbroken, it's not secure, jailbreaking remove apps from Apple's protection, and make sure your phone isn't jailbroken. And then last step is just, if you're still having problems, you can reset your phone. You can just go to settings and general and then transfer or reset phone and then erase all contact and settings. This will remove everything and make your iPhone like new. And yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next